How to transfer data using quick share or nearby share on Samsung to Samsung device. Open the gallery on your device. Tap any photo or multiple photo you want to share. Tap the share button from the bottom. Now here you can see quick share or nearby share option on your device. Tap on a quick share. Now turn on a Bluetooth to share nearby device. In other device, make sure turn on the Bluetooth on your device. Now swipe down. Scroll here you can see nearby share. Tap on it. Tap on a setting gear icon. Here you make sure to go on use nearby share option on your device. Now here you can see your other device. Tap on it to transfer image or data. Now wait until here you can see ready to receive option. Tap on accept to accept the data on your device. Now you can see receive. Tap on it to view the received file or data on your Samsung device. So quite easy to share data, images using nearby share or quick share to Samsung device. That's it. Like it, share it.